Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apliiq for custom apparel dropshipping workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Apliiq for custom apparel dropshipping, begin by creating an account on the Apliiq website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, focusing on the key sections like products, orders, and account settings. Next, access the Products tab to explore the custom apparel options available. Select the type of apparel you want to create, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or hats. After choosing a product, click on Create Product to begin the design process. Upload your custom designs or choose from Apliiq's library of graphics and patterns. Adjust the placement and size of your design on the product mockup. Once satisfied with the design, fill in the necessary product details, including title, description, and pricing. Next, set up your shipping preferences in the Account Settings section. Specify shipping zones and rates to ensure accurate delivery options for your customers. Now, connect your Apliiq account to your online store platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts for integration, providing necessary API keys or tokens as required. Once connected, ensure all your products are synchronized between Apliiq and your online store. Test your storefront to confirm that the custom products appear correctly. Next, set up your payment options to facilitate smooth transactions. Decide on your preferred payment processor and complete the setup process. Return to the Apliiq dashboard and monitor your inventory levels to ensure you have enough stock for your designs. Finally, run a test order to verify that the entire workflow, from ordering to fulfillment, operates seamlessly. This will help ensure that your custom apparel dropshipping business runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.